Hello, my dear students. Today we'll be going to learn about the lesson number 4, that is angles and pair of angles. Important things about that. The first one is the interior and the exterior of angle. See this, the part you will see this in the plane of a this is given figure. If you will see this in this given figure, in this given figure, the part which is there inside the this two rays inside the angle means this NMOT, these all are inside the exterior angle, sorry, these are in the interior part. They this the between the angle, this is angle PQR. Okay, the angle is given PQR. So this NMTO, these are in the interior part of the angle. Okay, these are the interior part of the angle. And this GDSE, these are the exterior part, means they are out of the angle. This GDSE, these are all on the exterior part. So this is exterior part of the angle. Okay, adjacent angle, you'll see in the given figure. This is in the given figure, angle BMD. Okay, angle BMD, there are two angles. This angle MQ and angle QMD, these two are adjacent angle. Adjacent angle means they have a common arrow between them, means MQ is a common ray between these two angle BMQ and angle QMD. So these are called as a adjacent angles. Okay, they don't, in the given figure, MB is a common arm of the angles BMD and angle BMQ. However, they are not adjacent. However, they are not adjacent angle because they do not have separate interiors. They both have a separate interiors. Okay, the adjacent angle. So now we'll move further. That is about practice set 15. So observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWB. Okay, this is the first question. Okay, now points in interior, you will see that which are points in interior. This angle, sorry, point R and CQXC, these are points in the interior. This R and XC, these are the point in interior. Then next is point in exterior. Which are point in exterior? If you'll see this T U Q V and Y, these are points in the exterior part. Okay, and the third one is points on the arms of the angle, means which are on the rays which the angle has. So this is points on the arms of the angle is A, W, G and B. These are arms on the angles, points on the arms of the angle. Okay, understood? Now next, name the pair of adjacent angles in the figures given below. Okay, first you will see that adjacent angle A, first pair is angle A and B. Okay, angle A and B and angle A and C. This is one pair. Then again one pair is there angle. This is A and B, and next is angle A and C. This is adjacent angle. Again angle C and B, angle C and B, and angle C and A. This is also the pair of adjacent angle. Again one more pair is there angle A and B and angle C and B. Angle C and B, this is also the pair of adjacent angle. Okay, are you getting that point? How these angles are you understanding? Okay, again in the next figure we'll see that angle RQRT Q is given. Okay, adjacent angles that we have to